Hello everyone, welcome to today's live stream recap. First trading session of 2025, ending with a profit of $400. I took one trade today off of this triangle pattern that I discovered early on in the session. Let's dive right into it. So we opened the session with a rejection off of the Vwap, making our way down toward the overnight lows, failing to grab that liquidity, and ultimately making that V-shaped recovery. Early on, my goal was to remain patient. We had news today at 8:45 and it was high impact news. I don't like trading news, so I was sitting back until at least 9 o'clock. So we claimed the VWAP here at around 9 o'clock, and at this time I was waiting for these overnight highs to be taken. So ideally I was looking for a retracement to get into a long to ride up to these highs up here. However, when we started to get this rejection over here, volume was looking a little bit too heavy for me to comfortably get into a long, and it was also close to 9:30, which means the initial balances for the day were about to be set, and those levels I like to trade, so I decided to hold off for a bit. So let's review some of the footage from today's session. This is where I initially found the formation of the potential triangle pattern, because at the time it wasn't completely formed. So this did give me the idea that ended up giving that scalp long. Okay, so here's the entry for the trade. I marketed in after I saw this trending candle and I noticed that the momentum was continuing to push up. So let's go over the conditions on why I took this trade. First off, we were at the D point of the triangle that I was tracking, and as we were approaching the level, I noticed that volume was slowing down and we started to form this consolidation pattern. And as we were forming this consolidation pattern, I noticed some divergences forming here on the stochastics and the MFI, indicating that we can potentially get a push up. On top of that, we also had this double bottom pattern. Before I show you the video of the trade, I want to go over the stop loss and the take profit. So the take profit was right above this last high right here. And for the stop loss, I actually ended up just taking it off, which I don't recommend. But the reason I took it off was because for me, this was a momentum trade. And if I noticed price going against me, I would have instantly killed it.
Order filled.
They were long. Double bottom, aiming for that. There we go, and there it is. One trade worth 20 points on the Nasdaq to end the day. And that's going to wrap up today's recap. Hope you all enjoyed. Please like and subscribe for more content in the future. Hope to see you in the next one. Thanks.